To watch this recipe in Hindi, check the link in description box below and also subscribe Mridula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I am Mridula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see how to make creamy popsicles. They are super easy to make. Just mix up all the ingredients and put it in freezer to set and our creamy delicious popsicle is ready. So let's get started. To make popsicles, we need 200 ml of fresh cream. This is low-fat cream that I am using, which is very easily available. You can also use heavy whipping cream. Half cup of milk powder, 2 tablespoon powdered sugar. The milk powder that I am using is also sweet, so I'm just going to use 2 tablespoon powdered sugar. Whatever brand of milk powder you use, just taste it once and then accordingly you can adjust the quantity of powdered sugar. We need 3 tablespoon milk to adjust the consistency of mixture. I'm going to make two flavors, vanilla and chocolate. So for vanilla we need half teaspoon vanilla essence or extract and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. In a large mixing bowl, take cream, to this add powdered sugar, milk powder, vanilla essence and milk. Using a wire whisk, mix all these ingredients very well. Taste this and check if you feel like making it more sweet, then add more powdered sugar in it. That's it. All you have to do is just fill this into popsicle molds. To make chocolate flavor, to the same mixture add cocoa powder. Give a mix. After adding cocoa powder, this mixture will become little thick, so add some milk to it to adjust the consistency. Fill molds with this chocolate mixture. I will cover these molds with aluminum foil. These are popsicle sticks that come along with these molds. Insert them at the center, piercing through this foil. Put this in freezer to set for 5 to 6 hours. After it is completely set, take this aluminum foil out. In this way, place each mold in a glass of water. This is lukewarm water. Wait for 30 to 40 seconds and then gently take the popsicle out of the molds. Our creamy milk popsicle is ready. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe my channel for more yummy recipes. I will be back with a new recipe video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.